Polycarbonate is a high-performance thermoplastic material that has gained a wide range of applications in the field of 3D printing. Polycarbonate 3D printing involves the use of polycarbonate filaments or powders to create parts through an additive manufacturing process. The two main methods for 3D printing with polycarbonate are fused deposition modeling and selective laser sintering. The advantage of polycarbonate 3D printing: polycarbonate is stronger and more durable than many other common thermoplastics, such as ABS and polylactic acid. It has excellent impact resistance, making it ideal for parts that are subject to wear, such as gears and pulleys. FDM is one of the most commonly used 3D printing technologies for polycarbonate, where polycarbonate filaments are extruded through heated nozzles and deposited layer by layer into parts. FDM is suitable for the production of strong, lightweight, and dimensionally accurate parts. SLS uses a laser to sinter powder polycarbonate material layer by layer to form the final part. This technology enables the production of parts with complex geometries and excellent mechanical properties. SLS is particularly effective for creating moving and interlocking parts, eliminating the need to assemble individual components. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.